Hey everyone, this is a Chrysler 2012, and it seems that I'm having a problem with the thermostat. So today I'm gonna replace it, and we'll see how it goes. If you want to know where is the thermostat is located, it's right here by your passenger side. There's this part right here. I'm gonna have to take this out, take them off. So thanks for watching and keep looking the video. If you see it there, we got two screws that we have to take them off. This part right here, and there's another one on the bottom right here. Once you lose them off, so this part right here will come off real easily. Okay. I'm losing this screw right now. All right, here it comes. There's one right there. We're gonna put it right here so we're not gonna lose it. There's another one up here. You see this part right here is losing now. Okay. Got it. Piece of cake. It's a piece of cake right here, yo. So this is what the thermostat looks like. Okay. So guys, this is what the old thermostat it looks like. You see that little piece right there inside? That's broke. All this piece it came off. Look at that. Looks very old. It came off apart. This is all the part that it came off. They all came off looses. Guys, this is the new part right here. It's a Duralast thermostat. See, that's what it looks like when it's new. And this is what I got here. That's where it goes, right there. Guys, this is the new thermostat. See, they're all coming together. I'm gonna put this back. So I'm going to replace the sealer. I'm going to replace this one to the new one. Look, that's the old one. Let's check it out. That's the old one. So I just finished installing the new one right here. First you gotta put this part right here, and then you go with this one, and then this is the top, and then you just all that this metal right here, you install it from this side right here, and then on the other side same way. See it? That's what it looks like. That's the new one. That's the new thermostat, and that's the old one. That's the old pieces right here. See, this was coming off apart. That's an old part right here. But we got the new one. Very nice. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put the new one. I'm gonna install it, put it back, this piece right here. That's how it goes. That's how it goes right there. Okay, and then just alright guys, I just finished installing this part right here, so we're good to go. Then what's left is what's next. We're gonna plug this hose right here. That's for the antifreeze. Okay, so we're gonna put this right here, go through here, and then we get this right here, then we tighten it off right here. All right, just put this right here. Put this in there.